the sugar tong type splint, what you can do is just slide this over the back of the arm, or I could put it underneath like this and bring it around the arm. So I'm just going to slide this in here. It is fairly long for this little guy here. So now we've got some gaps in the back here, and there are definitely probably some gaps under here and under here. I don't want to squeeze this down on the kid's arm or anybody's arm who's got a broken arm. So what you can do instead is we have something rigid. Remember the basics of splinting: something rigid, something to pad the splint with, and something to wrap or bind it with. We're going to go ahead and use this wrap here. So because of those voids, I'm going to use some type of t-shirt material, splint, triangle bandage, things like that. I'm going to start to stuff this. Oops, sorry about that, buddy. Slide this into the splint so that it's nice and padded. So I'm going to line the top portion of the splint and the bottom portion. So I've got some triangle bandage in here. We're going to go ahead and somebody else is supporting his arm. We're going to bring this around his arm. If you need more padding, which on this kid we probably would,